Hello everyone, today is 2016 August 9th, okay, which is Singapore's National Day. Okay, so I'm be happy to host this webinars or this video session for everyone. And my students group will be joining the live session, okay. Then I will just upload the video to YouTube, okay. So first of all, okay, if you don't know who I am, please go to the YouTube and search for project. Okay, when you search for project, you will see this channel. Okay, you can click my image, and also you can click the latest video which I made last Friday before the non-farm payroll. Okay, so what I mentioned in the non-farm payroll, basically, I think all the forecast or all the analysis was correct. We have gold short at 1363. We have dollar index. I'm thinking that it's going up. Right, we have a nice buying opportunity above 95 level. All right, and we are aiming for 97.23 for this dollar index. Okay, we have oil. We want to sell the pullback 44.40, but it's still in progressing. All right, so I'm going to just cover the major markets first. Okay, we look at the dollar index first. Okay, so as I said, the dollar index has a very nice support level at 95. Okay. So we have a very strong rally in the NFP. Okay, and now I think the rally will just continues. Okay, this will be a trend continuation pattern. Okay, I won't call it a flag or whatever, but I just know that it will breaks up sooner or later. Okay, after the correction, another impulse wave will goes out. Okay, so just by the dip of dollar index, now the very strong support level has moves up to 96.20, this level. Okay, so if you see the dollar index really drops into this zone and holds very good price action, you can buy the dollar again. All right, although just to highlight that do not chase the price. Okay, do not chase price. We want to buy the low. We want to buy here. Okay, we want to buy the 95 handle. We want to buy here. Okay, but we're never going to chase the price. So always remember, buy low, sell high. Okay, this is the whole idea that how you make money in any markets. Okay, only way that you can make money is buy low and sell high. Don't buy high and sell low. Okay. All right, let's go to the oil. Okay, see the oil first. So oil right now is in the uptrend channel in the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour, yeah, it's higher highs and higher lows. Okay, but look at the daily chart. Look at the big picture. Okay, I think oil. Yeah, I just update the oil in my trading view. Okay, and I feel that oil is now in a correction move, and although it forms an uptrend channel, but you don't really want to buy it, okay, because the overall is still downwards. Okay, and if oil later breaks down this channel, okay, we may find some opportunity to short oil again. All right, now the oil has comes to this structure, which is 43.33. okay, yeah, it may stop the oil from keeps going up, but personally, I want to short oil here because it's still in the uptrend. Okay, so wait for the channel to be broken, or you can wait for this structure. Okay, this structure will be the best place to short oil. Okay, and once it is, yep, 5 waves on oil. Not really. I don't really count the elite waves because I found that it's very hard to count the waves and to forecast the future waves. Okay, I don't really like to forecast the future waves. Okay, there's a saying that in TradingView we have our best author here. Okay, this guy, technician. Okay, he's one of my very respected traders here. Okay, so you click his website, now click his image, he will say that I don't forecast, I only make money. Okay, only real traders can understand this sentence. So I personally, I feel that, yeah, this is great. All right, we don't guess what's going on. We don't really guess. Yeah, there's like, you know, A B C D E. There's okay. If I want to bluff, or I just want to draw, right? Yeah, this is a 5-wave sort of, you know. Okay, and then it comes A B C. Right? And we have A B C. Okay, then maybe another 5-wave, something like that, right? People just, I mean, some people just want to, you know, to guess what's the future movements of the markets without, you know, without anything supporting. It's just like, yeah, based on the electric waves, I can forecast, and this we have another. You know, this is a big A move. This is the B move, right? And this is another C move. Okay. Then you have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. It looks like so complicated. I don't really want to forecast the futures. Okay, because whether you forecast the futures doesn't matter. What matters is how you trade them, right? How you trade them. You cannot just trade because of your imagination. Yeah, there's maybe, you know, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there must be a ABC pattern, and after the ABC, there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe a triangle, sorry, consolidation, whatever. Right? You cannot trade on on the basis on your imaginations. You need to trade based on the patterns, based on the what happens, what the markets tell you. Okay, so trade the markets. Don't forecast. Right, this is my style of trading and my style of analysis. Okay, I never do anything. You know, it is really forecast the move, and I want to follow every move so that I can make money. I mean, looks like I'm right in guessing the market, but if you are right in guessing the market, doesn't mean that you can make money, right? If you never enter the trade, how you make the money? Okay, yeah, there's a lot of people. Yeah, you know, will tell you. For example, when oil is in 26 something, right? Okay, some people are guessing, yeah, 26 is the bottom. I feel that 26, you know, oil will go back to, you know, 60. Yeah, I heard some people saying that oil long term, you know, bullish target is 60 or 57, right? It's possible, right? But do you really believe that these people he just buy it and hold to 60 after he really, you know, see this kind of a very big retracement, he still holds the position, and, you know, he can hold for 60. No, I cannot say that I don't believe, but you know, it's very hard to persuade me that after 6 months or after 1 year, this person comes out and tells you and announce that, yeah, you see I'm right, or you really goes to 60, right? Then you ask him, okay, so you make a lot of money, right? And he shake his head and said, no, I just guessed the market. I hope I have trade that. Yeah, but I'm so scared that it's maybe still going down. I didn't enter the trade, right? Or he entered the trade, maybe he chased the price and one big retracement takes him off, right? So that's something I want to highlight to you guys, right? Don't forecast the market. You trade the market. You only make money by you look at what is the real scenario here, by not doing any, you know, imagination move that you want to trade based on your imaginations. Okay, even though your imaginations may be proved to be right. Okay, but that is not the reason that you enter the trade. You must enter the trade based on the price actions, based on the chart patterns. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. All right, Scott, do you agree? If you agree, you can type 1 here. You can just type 1 here. Okay, don't forecast the moves. Okay, we just want to trade the moves. All right. Okay, so for the oil, if I want to short the oil, I will just, you know, wait for the price action here. Okay, but do remember I still have some position here, like in a 50-50 or 50.20. That is last time I updated all your charts. We shot the pullback, we shot the breakout and pullback at a 46 something, right? And then it comes down to 39.40. Okay, we take some profit at 41.81, right? And now the price looks like it's like going down, but just remember that there is a channel here, so you want to short the oil after the channel is break, okay? After the channel is broken, okay? So this is oils. Okay, let's look at the gold. Okay, we have a very nice shot before the NFP. Okay, we shot based on this daily charts, you know, based on this structure. All right. This is a structure that we want to short, okay, for our second rally, but cannot break through the previous high. And in 1 hour, just before the NFP, you can see that price is retesting the channel. Retesting the structure here. Right? It looks like it's making a top and breaks down, retest. One time cannot break through, second time cannot break through. Okay, so you can enter either here or here. Okay. And with a stop loss, maybe 1,368, right? This is what I mentioned before the NFP. You can just short the market and have a very small stop loss. Okay, your risk. What is the risk? The risk is only like, you know, this $5 or 50 pips. Okay, but your return. Look at the return, right? It is a very nice return, like 1 to 4. Already, 1 to 4 already, right? And you take some profit here because there are structure here, okay? You take some profit maybe at here, yeah? All right, and then you just leave a very minimum or the balance position, just make the stop loss break even and hold for a very even longer target, okay? Maybe you can wait for the gold to be to retest this 1316 level, okay? And if the gold really breaks this low, right, and you may have a very nice place to short the breakout, pull back, and short again, and aim for maybe 1 to 70, right, which is before the break exit, right, 1 to 70 or 1 to 60. That is a long-term view. Okay. Yeah, so gold, I have already published the idea that, please hold your short position because it has already broken the support line, okay, this support line, trend line, okay, from the pre-exit all the way up here, okay, it's already violates this trend line. So after consolidation, I think the gold is tends to going down. Okay, test this 1,310 level, and maybe you have some like structure here, maybe maybe a bounce or whatever. Okay, but the whole idea is we just keep the short position. Okay, whenever it breaks a new low to the support level, we can take some profit, and when it pulls back to the violate structure, we can short again. Okay, and you try to catch this very huge move, downtrend move. All right. Okay, cool. Wow, Teching is here. Annie. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, Teching. Happy National Day, right? We Singaporean, Majula Singapore. Are you in the home? How about for those who didn't short previously, right? Yeah. I mean, right now you can see that the gold is just, doing nothing within the zone, right? So if you want to short the gold, you can actually wait for the breaks down the 1,330. Wait for the gold to break down this support and comes back again, and you make a short position, and at least you aim to 1,313. Okay, that is some idea you want to short. You want to open a new trade. Okay, yeah. So gold, just watch out for this breakout, because in 1 hour you can clearly see that the price is really doing nothing. Okay, the lows is equal, the high is almost equal, right? So you want to wait for to break down this support level and it comes back again and short. Okay, so this is for the gold. Okay, for the silver, we have very nice short based on the godly move, right? We have a godly pattern which I published in TradingView here, I think. Yeah, it's short at a 20.50, right? Although it really goes to 20.70, but I mean, it's really still a nice bad pattern in this. If I choose a X point here, right? But later on, if you see there is a godly pattern here based on what we saw, we can trade the silver, this godly pattern here, okay, at this 20.70 place, and now we have very nice profit. Okay, so for silver it's the same thing for silver. Yeah, it's like don't buy at this level, because this level is like to become a neckline at this top. Okay, so once the neckline is violated, we may have another good place to short the silver and aim to maybe 18 level, aim to this level. Okay, this level, right? What is a risk? You mean the gold? Yeah, of course. Remember when I teach in the class, right? We have a structure and you want to short the pullback, right? So, I mean, it's very easy for you to put your stop loss just above the opposite of this box, right? Because if the price didn't really, you know, be rejected at this place and all the way goes up, makes a higher high, then makes your short position meaningless, right?
Video.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, sorry, 1330 to 1339, around 90 pips, right? And you can just calculate the size. If you are shorting you don't want to lose $90, you can just short 2.1 lot, which is 10 ounce. Okay, all right, let's look at the euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar makes very nice drop. We have a short position from 1.123, 1.1230. I think that is yeah, this is where I shot the euro. Okay, and then the euro just breaks lower low and have a lower highs in the downtrend move. Okay, I have already taken my first profit at my first target, which is 1.1109. I already take some profit. Okay, and now it's 1.1083. Yeah, I'm glad to take some profit here, and then I just let my rest of position just break even and hold for the euro is just to test this 1.0950 maybe. So for the euro, yeah, still in the downtrend move, right? This channel makes very good, still valid. Okay, and we just catch a very nice shot here at these lower highs, and chances that the euro may have a lower low 1.7, right, or even 1.6 is very high. So just keep your short position, right? But don't chase the price. Don't chase the price. Okay. Okay, for the GBP, yeah, touching you are here, right? You remember when do we start the GBP? You still remember? We shot on right. We are short on this 618%, right? You are on the class on that day, and you really saw the real trades going on, right? Yeah, and short the pullback, you know, 336. We catch a 200 pips move, right? And it continues to going down. Right? So we already have almost 400 pips profits. Okay, we take some partial profits, let the rest to run to have a higher targets. Right? And right now, okay, Scott, I saw Scott put a godly pattern. Okay, let's see the godly pattern in the sterling. For the sterling, yes, we do have a godly pattern. Maybe we can choose the price to be here, and then we can see that yeah, the 0.618% just nicely touched 1.3054. Okay, so we have a godly pattern. All right, we do have a godly pattern, and it looks like we are going to see the price action at this our zone here, yeah, 1.2937 all the way to 1.2876. This is a zone that we want to see the price action and see whether we can have a buying opportunity of sterling. Okay, but based on the sterling just cutting rate, all right, and also this X point is the first time that the sterling touched this low. All times
market analysis
period. Okay, we can check, you know, in a 12 months time frame. Okay, sterling, you know, it's like
我觉得湖也挺好看，挺帅的。
since the year 19 this is a chart that one candle is 1 year, right? So from 1993 you can see the sterling I mean the low here is just first time test. Okay, so you go back to the daily chart. Yeah, there is a very good we can call the upside move with the origin of this 1.2790. Okay, but doesn't mean that this place will be broken. Okay, maybe sterling will have another kind of downtrend move to test this low. Okay, so we really need to you can draw the lines here. You can draw the, you know, this potential reversal here to highlight, yeah, when the price goes into the zone. First thing, you don't short at that zone. Second thing, you watch for the price action. You go to the 1 hour chart to see what is happening. Okay,
这是我小时
yeah,
候
nice,
去
you know,
我
lower highs and lower lows, right? Looks like there is like something like
一
trend.
位老奶奶，然后
Okay, right?
然后
Okay, so if you want to buy the sterling, you need to make sure, I mean, to at least to see the price to break out this channel
加
and pull back, and retest, can't make a lower low, then you might have a learning
不知道为什么要去
opportunity.
很
Okay? Otherwise, you
那
just
个地方
buy the sterling. Okay? You don't buy first,
很多年，
and especially
然后
we check the
去我也没去过，小时候也没去过他们家，
we have some GBP data to
然后
be
去他们
released.
家，然后
Right? Let's check what is the data. Here we go to economic calendars. Right? And yeah.
很奇怪，我也不知道那个让我讲的地方是我也。
Order the Singapore time, we have GBP's, you know, manufacturing PMI production, right? Trade balance also very important. Okay, so yeah, I think after 4:30 we see the price action. Yeah, just get ready that, I mean, be prepared that sterling may break the low or may test the low. Okay, and if we see the price cannot make a lower low, then we may we have the first condition to hit that we may consider to long GBP. Okay, but if the price breaks a new low, we're never going to buy it. All right, clear? Are we clear? So for the GBP, please be careful. Okay, don't trade the GBP just because there's a pattern. All right, you need to really think about how good the structure is, and to really to consideration that GBP has just cut the rates, and all GBP has this you know pre-axis effect, right? Oh yeah, I think Shipeng, are you having your, do you turn on your microphone? Okay, need to mute you. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Can you hear me? Right. All right. Cool. Better, right? Nice. Okay. So for the GBP, be careful. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Who make the annotations? Okay. So for let's look at the dollar yen. Okay, we have a nice buying opportunity in last week, which we purchased. We long the dollar yen. Okay, based on this ABCD move, right? And we have a very nice entry at 100.96 or 86 or 80. Okay, and then we have a very good profit. Right, and I think you can already take profit right now because the dollar yen is, is testing this kind of resistance or this structure. Okay, so it's always good to take some profits from the market first. Right? Do you see that? You see this channel is broken, right? So it loses the upside momentum, right? And I feel that the dollar yen may continue to pull back. Okay, and if it really pulls back, where can you buy again? Yeah, look at here. Okay, pay attention to this 101.80 to 101.65. This level is that you can buy the dollar yen. Okay, to buy it again. Any questions? Okay, Scott asked, can you comment why you like the GBP Aussie, right? Okay, let's take a look of the GBP Aussie. Okay, first thing, let's look at the Aussie. The Aussie dollar, I mean, just hit the 0.766 again. Okay, it's very similar of the gold chart, right? First rally up, pulls back, then another second attempt until it forms a pin bar, right? We shot at 76.61 and our stop loss is 76.80. If you remember where I placed my trade plan in the trading view. Okay, we have our stop loss there at 0.6080. Okay, and that's why I'm still in the trade, because I'm not stop out, right? Entry 76.61, stop loss 76.80, right? Last night was kind of, this kind of move was crazy or scary, right? But you don't be scared, because if you if I am stop out, I will lose 20 pips and I will lose $200 because I only shot one lot, right? That is our risk, our position calculating, right? And if you are not be scared and you're still in the trades, you see now you're still earning money. Okay, and take note that for the Aussie dollar, it is in the very high place or high location. Okay, the Aussie, right, kind of in a daily big picture, we have a very strong move upside. We have a 618% retracement. Okay, and we have another movement up. Okay, and typically for this movement, I will feel that, yeah, if it cannot break through the previous high, and it may comes down, all right, and form this scarlet pattern, all right, and we find the opportunity to short the Aussie dollar here based on the price action at this level, based on the previous structure here. That is a place that Aussie cut the rate. Okay, when Australia banks cut the rate in May, okay, and the price just falls nicely, and so this place is those, I think is the high. Okay, it's a high that we need to pay attention, because if the Aussie dollar breaks the high, and it will continue goes up. Okay, but if cannot break this high, we have this first time trying, second time trying, third time trying. This is fourth time. So if the price cannot break through the 0.7680, I'm going to hold my short position, and I'm looking down for a very huge downside move. Okay, so Aussie, remember, Aussie is in a very high location, and sterling is in a very low location, right? So for sterling Aussie, let's look at the chart, right? We look at the weekly chart. What do you find? Okay, it's really like drops a lot, and kind of to almost break a new low. Okay, and we need to find that whether there is a trading opportunities, right? So the first thing we look at here, we have a structure here. It's 1.672. Another one is like we can put on the maybe here 1.62. This is previous the neckline here. Okay, and the GBP Aussie makes a very huge rally, and all the way goes down. Okay, and we find out what is 618%. Yeah, it's here. It looks like it breaks the 618%, right? And another thing is that there may be a ABCD move. Okay, we just draw the ABCD move to get prepared that where can we buy GBP Aussie. Okay, so from this chart, we know that, you see, it's going to the 1.60, completed at the 1.64, 366, which is quite, you know, quite close to the previous this bottom's neckline here. Okay, so if this ABCD complete, I mean, we may have a very nice opportunity to buy sterling Aussie. And also from this chart, you see that there's a still space, like, you know, 600 pips space for the GBP Aussie to continue goes down, right? So this chart actually tell us that, yeah, is really have the chance that, you know, it's possible for the GBP to continue to fall, okay? Because, you know, GBP Aussie is still not in the best location to buy, okay? And if GBP Aussie keeps falling down, okay, we go to the 4-hour chart, okay? 4-hour chart, you see the price is trying to break the low, okay? So here, from here, if we can see that the price cannot goes back to this line, and you may even consider to short GBP Aussie first, and short your position all the way to 1.65 this level. You may have a very good opportunity to short first and cover the short and buy again. All right. Hi, Ken. All right, so Scott, do you understand why I picked this pair? Because it is very clear for this pair that you want to know how, because for the GBP USD, right? For the sterling dollar, we don't know that where will be the best place because it is at all times low. And we won't know that whether this place is going to be held, going to be support, right? If this place breaks down, this level is violated, and we have no idea that how deep it can further go, right? But for the GBP Aussie, yeah, from the chart we know that 1.65 is or 1.6460 maybe a very nice level to buy in GBP Aussie. All right, so you make this cross pairs comparison and you find that, yeah, maybe when GBP Aussie falls to here, we may find a place to buy GBP Aussie instead of GBP USD. Okay. All right. Okay. So for the dollar yen, let's go back to the dollar yen. Dollar yen's, I mean, yeah, the price moves up very nicely, and it goes almost, I mean, hit this resistance level. So we already have a profit of 100.80 to 102.65 or maybe 50, right? It's 170 pips. So you take some profit or take half profit and wait for the price to come back into this break line, this violated neckline, and you want to buy it again. Okay. Okay. So this is for the dollar yen. Okay, for the Kiwi dollar, if you still remember that I highlight before the NFP, we have a very nice Libra pattern, right? I think Shane in our students group, he trade this, and I think Annie also trade this, right? We have a nice pullback to this level, and you know we have a 61%. Right, so this is a Libra pattern plus the 6.8% makes a very nice profit. And then today, I think the New Zealand's central bank says that it may still cut rate, right? And more importantly, is Kiwi dollar has a breakout this channel. Okay, so chances is going down is very high. So just keep your short position. And today, yeah, some people say that, I think one of the students here says that it is trying to retest the neckline, right? Yeah, I mean, it's good to open a new trade if you feel that, yeah, we have a nice rejection here. Price cannot make a higher high, but making a lower highs, lower low. So downtrend move starts, you can carry your short trade all the way to maybe 0.70 first. Okay, this level. Look at this level. Okay, this level may be a very good place to take profit. Okay. All right, let's look at the dollar CAD. The dollar CAD is going up. It's going up, right? It is a daily chart. It's like looks like it's very shaky because you see the price up and down so many times. Breaks high, higher high. Okay, it's higher than this high, and now after the NFP, because the lousy Canadian job data, dollar CAD just went up, but the oil is also going up. So something is strange, right? Yeah. for dollar CAD, I will suggest that don't trade it because it is a very indecisive move. Okay, it's like still in this channel. Okay, but it's going up. Okay, and you see that we have a bearish pullback, and we have a bullish. It's like always shaking very in a very big range. So maybe it is not time, or it is not good time to trade the dollar CAD. Okay, maybe focus on oil is good enough. Now dollar strong, so dollar CAD is going up. However, if you compare to the oil price, you will feel that right now the dollar CAD and oil is not moving. Is the correlation becomes not so strong. So something is wrong. Okay, because normally for the if oil goes up, the CAD is getting stronger, right? But you can see here, there's a time that you see when dollar CAD is going up and oil is also going up. Right, so this kind of a strange scenario happens. It actually tells you that something is wrong. Okay, it's because normally when in a normal situation, when dollar CAD is going down, meaning that the Canadian dollar is appreciating, which means the oil is going up. That's correct. But after here, after May, in this year after May, the situation becomes different. Okay, Canadian getting weaker, but the oil is keep going up. Okay, so one side is wrong. Okay, right now you see here is the same thing. Oil goes up. Okay, and the dollar CAD also goes up. So something's wrong. Okay, so maybe we don't trade this pair because the background or the environment is not good. Okay, you wait for the dollar CAD and for the US oil to be in the correct correlation, and you trade, you come back to trade again. Okay, Scott, do you get the meaning? Yeah, just compare the moves, right? Most of the time, the dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD goes up, oil goes down. I mean, that's a correlation between these two things, right? Right, dollar CAD goes to the extremely high, and oil almost getting to this 26 level, right? That's correct. But right now, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Look at the move here. Since this year May, I mean, these two things. I mean, it's like they lost the correlations. All right, so maybe we don't trade these two. Both of them we don't trade. Okay, or maybe you can just pick one to trade. Pick those easier to trade. Maybe the oil, maybe will be the better, right? We want for to short the oil when the price goes up here and short again. Okay, all right. All right. Okay, let's go to the last thing, which is S&P. Okay, so S&P here, what I thought is, you see the price trying to make a higher high, and it just touched this trend line and being rejected. Okay, and from the Fibonacci's perspective, we feel that it's going to test this 1.13 level, which is a 2187. Okay, however, if you are trading the futures, trading the ES, the E-mini S&P, right, it's the same thing. Okay, it's touched the trend line. Okay, and being rejected. And this morning, in Asian time, it looks like still we have buyer here. Okay, but just take note that this very big rejection means that there's a very strong selling pressure here. And please mark this level, which is 2177. Okay, so if we can see that this 2177 is really not genuinely breakout, which means the price pulls back to here and get the down move again. Okay, which makes this this breakout becomes a fake breakout. Okay, so we want to maybe sell the highs, okay, sell the high. Okay, alternatively, you can draw a support line here, right? You draw this line here. So the S&P is still in this uptrend movement. Okay, we have this supporting trend line, okay, but we also have a resistance line here, right? So it's like trying to making a direction, okay, either goes up or breaks down, okay. So pay attention to this level, okay. Maybe so 2177.75 will be the level that will works in the whole week or whole month, because that is the previous high, the last week's high. And this week we have a higher high, but you see the price drops very fast, go back to this level, and now it seems like to retest it again. Okay, so just mark this 2177.5. I will do another video in next week to see whether this is a true breakout or false breakout. And if it cannot breaks up and breaks this uptrend line, I'm going to short the S&P. All right, because the location wise is very, very high. It's really in a very high location. Okay, and it's like looks like it's going losing the momentum of going up, because we already have a pin bar here. Okay, this is a pin bar that tells you that, you know, something is wrong or something strange is happening. Okay, people who bought will buy the breakout, and these people are trapped. Right. So if the S&P, I mean, really after 1 week cannot break through this 2177.75, then people will start to change mind. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't buy at this high. I should sell. Okay. All right. So always remember, buy low, sell high. Always remember to find those patterns that I teach in the class, right? We have structures, we have Fibonacci, retracement, we have extensions, right? We have a breakout and pullback trade, right? So just trying to combine all of them, and you have only one target, is to find a trading opportunity, right? Okay, if we go to the 1 hour chart in the ES, okay, you will find that yesterday we do have very nice short here, okay, when the price violate this structure, and this pin bar tells you, yeah, it retests the previous this structure, and you can actually short here to 180, and you can at least earn $7, which is 77 points, which is 70 pips for this S&P. Okay. Yeah, so pay attention to what I have taught you guys, and trying to combine them and trying to find those good trades. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. If you guys cannot join, you just watch for the replays. All right. I will put on the YouTube. Okay. Yeah. It's I think it's already 30 minutes. Okay. Let's end the session here. All right. And if you do have friends who want to learn the technical analysis or want to follow Jack, you can ask them to join to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, at least they can see the videos, all right, to know what I'm thinking and what is my thoughts on different pairs. Okay, all right, see you guys. Okay, Kenny, what's the question? Yeah, please. What is the question? There is a part that I got confused. I feel same for the S&P. We should go down. However, then gold should go up. No. The correlation. Yeah, you see, Kenny. Okay, if you see the correlation is there's something wrong for the correlation. Okay, you can just simply compare it in the trading view, and you will know very, very clearly that what is a correlation is a normal correlation or is something is wrong. Okay, so if you go to the 4 hour chart, you see here, when gold, yeah, it is right. The gold goes up when when the GBP, you know, leaves the euro, okay, the brief exit, right, goes up. And this one, yeah, is correct. The S&P goes down. But after that, did you see the move? The gold is keep going up. However, the S&P is going up as well, right? So these two things, I mean, is something is funny is here, right? The gold is going up, the S&P is also going up, right? Then gold's coming down, right? Gold's already coming down, and the S&P already trying to make a higher high. But do you really think that now, I mean, typically this correlation is still there? You can use this correlation to trade? I don't think so, right? Right? Because, I mean, this kind of movement is weird. It's weird, right? Okay, so, I mean, you can short both, I think, because these two moves, I mean, these moves, one is incorrect, okay? So this just tells you that, I mean, the correlation between the gold and the stock market may not have the same correlation of before, right? You may short both because you have, I mean, the important thing is if you short S&P, make sure you have a tight stop loss, right? You just make the stop loss here. Yeah. If I short gold, I mean, my stop loss is here, 1368, right? So if any of them is wrong, okay, or maybe one of them is wrong, I will be stopped out with a very, very minimum risk or losses, right? But the other trade will have a very big winning, or maybe both of the trade is winning, okay? As long as you have your trade plan, you have your stop loss, you have your target, that's okay. I mean, who really knows, I mean, why the gold goes up and means the S&P really goes down, right? Who makes the rule? No, nobody makes. It's just like the human sense that, yeah, if the stocks goes up, right? People are willing to take the risk is on. People are really willing to take more risks, right? And so the gold used to be a, you know, risk haven, but in nowadays the gold have another property. Gold is commodity, right? People want to hold gold because they say, yeah, gold, I love gold. I feel that the gold is in a very uptrend move, right? I want to buy the gold, right? So yeah, that's my answer. Okay. Does your Facebook page offer anything not seen here or on the TV post? I don't have a Facebook account. No. Scott, Facebook page is just, you know, a place for all my followers to join the Facebook so that they can leave some comments, because in TradingView right now they are trying to they are telling me that I cannot put some, you know, advertisement there. So I will use Facebook to post my charts and my YouTube links. All right. Okay. Cool. Okay, continue to let's keep in touch in the students group, all right? And I really need you guys to put more charts, okay, to discuss more about the market situation and where is potential opportunities, right? I will look at them and give you guys, you know, a comment, okay? All right, thanks. Okay, trade your plan your trade. All right, bye-bye.